Friends, here's another video. It's okay, so we changed coils, we changed spark plugs, we made sure that the fuel pump is not at fault. That's not at fault. Everything runs well. And then what do you get? A check engine light, bank 1 2 reach, and the car, when you start it, starts okay, but on idle starts to shake and vibrate and misfire. What is the next move? The next move is to change the to go to the air intake valve and remove this whole component and clean the air intake. I did one for a 335D. We're gonna do this one here. I don't have the sandblaster, which is the best, because then you have to close all the valves and make sure you clean them well. I don't have time for that. We're gonna do a quick one. We're just gonna clean using our big man CRC. Bring the CRC. Let's see what's happening. CRC GDI intake cleaner. I can still turn the valves, you know, and just for the air intake to throttle body, we're gonna use those sprays. We're gonna use chemicals instead. So here we go. What I'm gonna start off doing by removing the box, disconnecting the air hoses and the air cleaner, air filter.